In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Amazon two-step verification not working. The first thing you want to do is wait for at least 60 seconds for the SMS or Authenticator code to arrive. If it does not, then you want to tap on the resend OTP option. Now try again. If you still do not receive the code, then the next thing you want to do is use a backup method. For that, tap on the try another way option. Now you will find different options such as alternative phone number, backup authenticator app, or email verification. Select whichever you prefer. You also want to make sure that your phone's date and time are set to automatic, especially if you're using apps like Google Authenticator. So to check, open up settings on your device, then go to general management and here select date and time. Now make sure that you have set that to automatic. If nothing else works, you want to contact Amazon support. For that, you want to open up any web browser and search Amazon customer support. Now go ahead and tap on customer service over here. Now you want to explain your issue with your account. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.